What's up, homies? So today I'm gonna show you how to use your pen drive as a RAM. It is very useful when it's not that useful, but it's useful to a slow PC. I'm gonna plug in my pen drive. Okay, yeah, it will open. Yeah, I'm right always. Okay, now you have to do is go to properties or just right click and go. Okay, now go to ready boost tab and use this device. Don't take this one, dedicate this device to ready boost or you're in a big trouble. Windows recommends reserving this much for optimal performance, so I'm gonna keep it like that. It's like around 4 GB. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, now you can see it's filled with some storage, and anyway, this is I have to show you the how to make it, and you can experience the speed when using the PC. I have experienced it because it's a little fast than normal. So I hope you guys this video helped you. Use this trick for yourself and it would be a good benefit to you. So I'm ending my video. Subscribe my channel. I'm doing game walkthroughs and game tips. Subscribe my channel and I won't let you down. Bye guys.